How to fix off ash and steel crashing on Steam. First, you will need to go to your library and then right click on the game and open up the properties window. And in the properties window, go to the general tab and add the following command. -dx11 to the launch options. Go to the installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for it to finish. Now, once this is done, you want to open up your GPU application where you can get updates. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need NVIDIA app. You can download and install it from the internet, and then go to the drivers tab. From here, select game ready driver, refresh for checking for updates, and then download and install the latest available driver. Now you can close this and then open up a new browser tab and search for Redist, and then click on the first link from Microsoft and scroll down to the second table, which is this one, and then download and install the 86 version and the 64, both of them. Download and install them, and then you will need to restart your system by clicking on power and restart. And after the restart, you will need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as administrator, and then you can launch the game again, and this should fix the crashes. Thanks for watching and subscribe.